Okay, people, this is my PlayStation 2. It doesn't work. So I'm gonna make it work. I just went and got my screwdriver. So first, let's take off the top. Yeah, beautiful. Yeah, kind of hole right there. So that's broken. That's broken. No front to that. Yeah. So I got my screwdriver, and the first thing I'm going to do is take out this screw. Okay. I got it out. Yes. Okay. So we're almost in there, so I'm just going to keep going at it until I can, you know, get it out. Okay, now. So I'm almost all the way in. Well, I'm already all the way in. So let's see what we can do. Oh, well, it's attached, so I have to get these screws out so I can get this off, and then I can locate my problem. Okay, I think I got it. Yes. It is off. So here we go. And, well, that might be my problem, this thing that looks like a screw. So I'm going to go ahead and try to get that out. Whatever the fuck that is. Okay, here it is. I got it. It's out. Now, I'm gonna see. Oh, look. That's probably bad. There's a laser in there. Yeah, that's probably bad for it. Goddamn laser. Whatever the fuck that was. Well. Okay, well, now that we got some of that shit done, don't know what the fuck that is. So we got all this shit in here. Some of it's probably fucked up, so we're gonna go ahead and remove it. Okay, it looks about right. I think we should start putting it back together. You always have to have a screwdriver handy. Guess I didn't fix this part. Okay, looks like I got it. Looks about right. Good as new. It probably still plays. You know what? I'm 100% sure it still plays. Look at that beautiful thing. Magnificent. Okay, yeah. Very beautiful. Yep. That's gonna work great. Okay. So, if you guys happen to be wondering what kind of a motorcycle this is, it's a Yamaha V-Star. Currently broken. Yes. Sorry about the low lighting. But, yeah. Yeah, beautiful. Very beautiful. It's all gonna work great. Get my screwdriver here again. Beautiful. Wonderful. It should be all fixed. Yes. Magnificent. Okay. And if any of you guys happen to want to tour my garage, there you go. Nothing. It's a shitty apartment garage. That is a 2010 Kink Whip. Yeah, and then that's a 415. Yeah. So, see you guys later.